Have you ever had your wig tangled to the point that you practically have a full-on bird's nest in the bottom of your wig? Send help! I'm going to show you my go-to products that I use to detangle my wig when it gets to that point. I'm Chaya G. I'm a wig wearer. Yes, it's a wig. And I'm a wig expert, and I'm here to share with you my pro wig tips and tricks to help you care for your wigs. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So much more to come. Honestly, the secret to keeping your wig detangled is by treating it throughout the day, not waiting for it to accumulate into this big bird's nest of a mess. So go ahead, check out my video where I talk about and show you exactly how to maintain it throughout the day to avoid this problem. So let's say you didn't take out the tangles throughout the day. Or maybe you're a wig stylist like me and your customers send you their wigs with these huge bird nests. What are we gonna do about it? The products which I'm gonna be working with today, which are linked in my description below, is the Paul Mitchell Taming Spray and the Isotech Soft Detangling Brush. Before we get started, go ahead and leave me a comment. Have you struggled with this problem with your wig, of this excessive knotting, and how have you taken care of it? So the first thing you're gonna do is take your spray and you're gonna spray liberally, especially in the area where the knot is. I like to work on a table because then I have the pressure from the bottom of the table. It doesn't end up pulling the wig. You're gonna take your brush and start by working from the bottom, working your way up higher. You don't wanna start brushing from the top because then it's just dragging the knot down lower. You wanna work lower down and start to open the tangles gently. You'll notice that I'm holding the bottom part of the net so that it shouldn't stretch out and I have control over the wig. Why are we doing it gently? Because any hair that's got lost or broken is not growing back. So we're gonna do this slowly, working your way up. Now it does take time and you have to be patient and of course gentle, but since we're here on YouTube, we could just speed up the process. And there you have it, nice and smooth throughout. Now this taming spray is something that is liquidy. So when you're gonna spray it in the wig, if you plan to wear it again, let it dry before you actually put it back on. And my pro tip, get some extra, because this is really great for yourself if you have really unruly and not susceptible hair, or even for your kids that don't let you brush their hair before or after they come out of the shower. This is godsend. Thank you so much for joining me and watching my pro wig tip on how to detangle the really tough knots in your wig using the products that I love.